Okay, so I have an unboxing today. We're gonna make it quick. It is my purchase from the sale. Doing this super quick because I want you to shop the sale and not spend so much time on the video, so I'll try to be fast. Today, a couple of things. It's the last day of the Stella Dot sale. So they've already have all these things on sale, and they went and took another 30% off the sale price. And it ends today. And today is also the last day that you can order in the US and get your shipment by Christmas. So there are little catches. You order today, we make the effort to rush it to you. So they're really trying to go out here because we know if we're ordering today, we've waited pretty close on time for that ordering online. So anyway, my box arrived. My husband was like, there's a box at the house for you. And I still had another box at the house that I have already filmed that video, and I'll post it maybe tomorrow. But yeah, we're just like you. We get up, we wake up, and it's like, surprise, there's a sale, and we start rushing through to see, you know, is there something that we want that we just can't live without? And there were some items that I had been watching that I really wanted, but even for me, we all have a budget. I thought, okay, I can have these items now because they are sale items and I really want them forever. That's always the struggle with being a stylist, is you kind of have to decide, what can I part with to buy new? What would I really want forever? And because of when I joined, I didn't want to purchase these items at full price because I knew there would be some new items coming that I would want to be able to share with everybody. So we're in the same boat with you. We get multiple shipments every time that they kick in another little sale or something that they do that maybe we can add to the collection, our forever collection. So let's get going. The first thing, we always look at the beautiful packaging. These are the Roslyn chandelier earrings, and I know that because it's on the back. And the little papers that tell us how to take care of everything are falling out. These are earrings that I've wanted for a long time. And I kind of held out, and I'm so glad I did, you guys. These earrings, I did not get them for this price, but they are $11.99 right now. I can't believe that. And that is an amazing price for good quality jewelry. So here they are. They may not be your style. They're my style. I love them. Stella Dot has something for everyone. And really quick, the greatest thing about Stella Dot, or my personal favorite thing, is that a lot of the items they make are versatile. This particular earring, you can remove this tassel, so you could have it look like this. Okay, then you can remove this entire piece, and you can have it look just like that. Okay, so you get, let's see, 1, then you could have 2, then you could have 3. So you can have 3 ways to wear this one earring. So whatever your outfit looks like that day or the event you're going to, you just adjust the earring to suit your style for the day. Okay, and that's sort of like a turquoise color. Turquoise, black, and cream. And I will point this out too. This portion right here, if I can block it, I'm not an expert. This is sort of like rope or string. It's not painted. So it's like a fabric-y feel, okay? So if you're not okay with that, pass. If you are, it's a super cool little texture. The next thing, little small earrings. These are a stud pack that my daughter actually bought for her friend as a gift. Her birthday's coming up in January, and I believe, I don't know, they're maybe $10. First, you get this stud, the silver stud. And then they've put in an extra pack. I'm not going to undo them since they are a gift, but it's a small hoop with some little balls hanging down. And then there's another piece in there. Actually, no, these are, I hate that you can't see them, like a jagged edge on the hoop. And then there's this extra little hoop in here with the pieces hanging that does not require a piercing. It's just going to latch onto their ear. Teenagers, Stella Dot created the compromise. They don't have to get their ear pierced way up here. They can kind of have the look. You still have to be okay with that. I'm struggling with that still. We want the kids to grow up, and then they do, and it hurts. And then she ordered a pair for herself. This particular one has a little notice in it that says, and it was an exclusive collaboration with Rebecca Minkoff. And these, Stella Dot really does go the extra mile to warn you about each piece. This one had 3 in it, the, you know, promoting the who designed the piece. And also because of how this earring is made, to say, hey, be careful, alert, this could snag your clothing if it were to come off of your ear. And I got it right here. So this part is going to go in her ear. And then this part, no piercing required, it's going to go wherever she attaches it on her ear up here. Like I said, it's a struggle in my heart, but it's a compromise. And because Mama's not saying yes to any kind of other piercing right now. So she loved them. It was a great compromise. They really do look age appropriate. Teenagers, that's what they're into. They're cute and they're very affordable. All of these came off of the sale. I think each of the pieces I just showed you might have been $10, $11. That's perfect for great quality jewelry. Can you buy something for $10 somewhere else? Yes. Can you get it to be that high quality, designed by designers? Not so much. So next up, we have a bag. I've wanted this clutch since I joined. And you guys, this is definitely not everybody's cup of tea, but I love this clutch. And since my kids are growing up and the youngest one is 7, I don't have to have a diaper bag and all the stuff and all that anymore. I do still have to carry more than I will have to carry when she gets a little bit older, but date nights are back, okay? The date night where I don't have to pay for the sitter, all those kinds of things, and I can carry a really cute purse. So this is like little fringe. Hopefully you can kind of see. I'll try to move it around. And then it's the envelope style. This is all of their protection. They do a great job of getting you the product in a safe way. This bag is solid black on the inside. And one of the things I love is that they know, because of how they've made the bag, you are a female, you're going to have to carry a few things. So they have built in a wallet. I will just call it that for lack of a better word. They've left a long slot for bills and then multiple, I think it's six places for credit card, ID, that kind of stuff that we're always going to carry. Your phone can slide in there easily, and it's just going to snap back. So to give you some idea, I'll put it at my elbow, maybe give you an idea. So it's over to my hand. This is a pretty big clutch, and it's gold, kind of like a burgundy, some green, and black. Maybe I can give you sort of a close-up here so you can see the detail in the coloring. It's great made. It looks beautiful. It's not, you're not going to be able, if you spill something on this, it's not wipe off. It's treat it like fabric. So you would want to be gentle with it as you use it. All right, the next couple of items were clothing. I purchased my first clothing item after I tried on my mentor, one of her shirts. I put it on. It was the Wren top. It's not currently in the sale, but goodness, I would tell you it's worth every dime. So when some more clothing items went on sale, I thought, you know, now just because I'm a stylist for Stella Dot doesn't mean I'm not going to put them through the paces and I'm going to test it and I'm going to do all that. I've had great success with the Wren top. I love that top. My kids last week were kind of like, Mom, didn't you wear that top yesterday? Yes, I did. I didn't get it dirty. I didn't sweat in it, and it's comfortable, and I wore it 2 days in a row. So I thought, okay, I'm going to buy a couple of different things now to sort of test different fabrics that they use and that kind of thing. So the first one was the Gala top, or Gala. I'm from the South, so it's going to always sound probably incorrect, so I'm sorry. But this top is beautiful. I wanted it from the beginning. I think my color goes great with my red hair. Honestly, I will tell you, I think I will end up wearing this with jeans. I don't go a lot of fancy places. It could obviously be a date night top. Once it went on sale, I could not live without it. I mean, I just could not. And so here it is. And the sleeve, it's kind of got a, I don't know the technical term, like a little drop sleeve. It's gonna hit down here versus at the shoulder. And I like that. I'm sort of broader through this area. And so that'll make more comfort, I think, for me. I'm hoping that's the case. And I bought a small small. I've referenced my size before. I'm 5'9", I weigh 140 pounds. I would describe my chest as I've had 3 children. Okay, so if that gives you some idea as you help try to order and pick a size, they're great. They have size charts, and they also have women of different sizes in the shirt, so you can kind of get an idea of what you would look like. So there it is, the gala top. Beautiful, and it feels amazing. The next top, I have one in here for my daughter. We bought this ahead for her, so we bought an extra small. She's 13 years old. She is tall. She is on her way out of Gap Kids, anything kid. So she's like in the 16, and the pants are already getting a little short. She's tall and slim. If that helps you as you purchase it for yourself, I think she says she's 5'4". She's just a little more than 100 pounds. We bought her this top. So for the summer, because kids grow, I try to buy the stuff in the off season. This was perfect. And then this top, I'm going to kind of put it over my shoulder a little bit so you can see. Hopefully I'll lift up here that she's going to be able to tie it at her waist. Okay. And it was so cute on the little model in the picture too. This is the Ava tie tank in black, extra small. Super cute. I would tell you that, let's give it a little test here for you to see. Personally, for somebody younger, I'm going to probably have her wear something under it. It's a little bit on the see-through-ish side. An adult would probably think, I'll put on my black bra and that's going to be all good. Or, you know, one of the cute little half bra things. I don't know. They're super cute. I feel like I'm getting old when I don't know the name of all these things. That would be perfect. But I would say it's slightly see-through. So if you live in a super hot place and you don't want to have any kind of see-through, maybe pass on that tank because you probably don't want to double up. I've lived in Florida and Texas and Vegas, and I get it. The last item is the Renegade camisole. Now this is just a basic piece that I bought for myself because I don't want to confess how long I've had my other ones and they look horrible, but I always think they're under stuff. Who cares? And then when I saw this, I think I looked this morning and this one is $13.99 now. Super cute. It's a basic, but I love how it's made in that if I really wanted to wear it by itself, it's got enough coverage. It's cute. It doesn't look like the old one. I haven't tried any of it on. As you know, I've just pulled it out of the package. It looks like it's not going to be form-fitting, so I think they didn't intend for it to be always layered because it would have looked different. But they did put it under a lot of their tops that were like the one I just showed you. So they had several long sleeve tops for sale. Pay attention if you look at those. They do say sheer. My girlfriend ordered one and she said, okay, I love this top, but how am I going to wear it? And so I've helped her through some of those options. We found some great pieces to go underneath so that she doesn't have to be hot or, you know, she can look cute. It's going to look cute in the back because she bought some that were cut out in the back. So anyway, it's a great feel. It's stretchy. I bought a small in this as well. It says, designed with love, made to fit, flatter, and feel good every day. And I haven't said this. I've said this in other videos though, but Stella Dot, they design all of their tops to be worn with jeans. And if that just doesn't say that they understand motherhood, I don't know what else they could do. So every top you will love when you go on the website, you will see it with jeans because they want to show you they mean it. And that means sparkle tops to everyday tops. And they really do look great. So don't be afraid to hop on. Tons and tons and tons of stuff on sale. From long sleeve to short sleeve, summer items, summer earrings, summer jewelry. I just picked the things that I couldn't live without. My daughter did the same. And get on the sale. I'll put the link below. Have a good day. Bye.